Business analysis, business analytics. Are there any differences? Have you always been confused about this, or you've been wondering which career path might suit you best? Don't worry, we're going to be clearing that up now in this video, and by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding of the differences and all that you need to know to make the best decision. By the way, if I had $1 for every time someone asks me this question or get confused about this, I'll probably be giving Elon Musk a run for his money. But it's understandable because most of the time professionals in either of these career paths are referred to as business analysts. Now let's clear up the common confusion, shall we? Now imagine a company, let's say Amazon, wants to improve its online sales process. A business analyst talks to stakeholders, gathers requirements, and designs a new sales process. Meanwhile, a business analytics expert examines customer data to identify trends and suggest ways or products that needs to be promoted more or less. Whichever way you look at it, both roles are important, but they focus on different aspects, if you get what I mean. Now that we've laid the foundation, we're going to be looking at 5 aspects that should hopefully do the job. The first aspect we're going to be looking at is focus, their area of focus. Business analysis focuses more on process improvement, gathering requirements, and defining solutions. Meanwhile, business analytics focuses more on data-driven insights and forecasting. Another aspect we're going to be looking at are their roles. Business analysis seeks to bridge the gap between business and technology. Usually for every company, there's usually the business unit and the technology unit. And it is the role of a business analyst to bridge the gap between the business and technology, communicating between the two and ensuring there are no communication gaps. Just like the example I gave earlier where the business analyst was looking into redesigning the Amazon online sales process and also gathering the requirements from stakeholders. While the role of business analytics is to identify or analyze trends and guide business decisions. Another aspect that is very important is key questions. What are the key questions they ask? For business analysis, the key question is, what does the business need? Whereas the key question to business analytics is, what does the data tell us? And the fourth aspect we're going to be looking at are the tools they use. The tools used for business analysis include Jira, Confluence, Visio, BPM, and UML. While on the other hand, tools used for business analytics include SQL, R, Python, Power BI, Tableau. And the last but not the least, to give you a well-rounded understanding, is that we're going to be looking at examples of their day-to-day roles. Similar to the analogy I gave earlier, an example of business analysis could be seen in designing a better order management system, while an example I can give for business analytics would be to predict customer buying needs, customer trends, and what exactly is in demand. I know I said we're going to be looking at 5 aspects, but however, I'm going to give you one more. And that is going to be the type of roles for each of the two. Business analysis, you could see roles like business analyst, IT business analyst, technical or digital business analysts. While on the other hand, for business analytics, you could see roles like business analyst, business intelligence analyst, business insights analyst. Now let's go to the question of which should you really choose. All I'm going to say is choose business analysis if you enjoy problem solving, engaging or talking to people, and also improving things or improving processes. And I would say choose business analytics if you love working with data, statistics, or you just enjoy uncovering insights to drive your decisions. Now that you know the differences between the two, and hopefully you know what a business analyst does and what a business analytics expert does, which career interests you more? Business analysis, business analytics? Let me know in the comment section below. See you. Bye.